Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic how do ants find water in the desert. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants get water in the desert through atmospheric moisture, underground soil and rainwater. Flower nectar and plant sap can also meet their nutrition and moisture demands. In addition, they get water from other insect bodies and fungi growing on the leaves. They have to devise suitable strategies to avoid the loss of moisture from their bodies and store the excess water to prevent the drying of an exoskeleton. Moreover, their colonies are at risk of slow growth and death in a drought condition, so they reduce activities and prefer to remain inside the nest to avoid water evaporation. One of the typical desert species of ants is the Saharan silver ant, which keeps its body cool by reducing direct contact to sunlight as they have a thick layer of silver hair on the body. Ants have to suffer from dehydration and starvation sometimes, mainly when they are native to deserted areas because there are rare chances of getting food and water there. However, these deserted species are adapted to survive in severe conditions by getting moisture from sources other than ponds, moist areas and puddles. They also transport water from these sources to their colonies. Ants can benefit from atmospheric moisture when there are no water sources on the ground surface, as it helps them avoid death due to dehydration. Ants follow the strategy of insects like beetles, which raise their abdomen in the direction of air by keeping their heads in the opposite direction. As a result, the moisture condenses and reaches their mouth. Accordingly, it requires an effort of several minutes or hours to wait for the water to condense and hydrate their bodies. Therefore, they build nests in high humidity areas to avoid drying bodies. Ants and other insects contain a fluid in their bodies that serves as a medium for transporting nutrients to all the body parts and flows from the head to the abdominal tip. This blood-like fluid is known as hemolymph in insects, contain nutrients that can help fulfill the energy requirements of the predator insects. Accordingly, desert ants usually make efforts to look for other dead insects and suck their body fluid. Sometimes they have to fight and kill the prey to get moisture or liquid from them. Army ants are known for this behavior as they have bigger heads or mandibles that can be used to kill other smaller prey and get fluids. This ant species is common in desert and they keep moving due to a lack of permanent nest. These migratory species are opportunistic that can grab and kill prey. Ants chew insects and lack abilities to suck fluids, so they pierce the skin through teeth and drink the hemolymph or yellowish fluid from their body. Some species of ants in desert dig deeper into the ground to reach the water source. It requires great effort to reach the bottom surface, but it can help keep their bodies moist for a long. The risk of dehydration can lead to colony death, so they have to build underground nests that can help prevent the drying of the exoskeleton by hydrating their bodies. Accordingly, they reach several feet deeper into the soil, close to the water level, where the risk of moisture loss is also lesser because they are not directly exposed to sunlight. Most commonly, species of ants living in deserts get nutrition from the plant seeds that can provide a good content of protein and fats to them. Seeds are a rich source of oils that can help compensate for the loss of fluids from their bodies by replacing the fluid content to some extent. In addition, the red harvester ants particularly seek moisture from the seeds after oxidation of the fat content obtained from them. They can also feed growing larvae with amino acid-rich seeds. The oxidation of fatty acids produces water, carbon dioxide, and a lot of energy that can be utilized for different body functions. Furthermore, they can collect and pile seeds within their nest because they do not dry quickly. These insects can use the stored seeds for protein or moisture to avoid dehydration. These insects regulate their foraging behavior and collect food particles or seeds in small groups. They remain connected through a pheromone signal and inform each other. However, these signals do not remain effective for long distance foraging because the chemical cues can get disrupted, but it can help know if another ant has found a seed and taking it back. Thanks for watching the video.